Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem on inheritance in Java. Our problem is print area of circle and volume of cylinder by creating a class circle and use inheritance to create the another class cylinder from it. So let's begin guys. I'm gonna create a new file here. So as mentioned in the question, I'm going to create a class circle. Okay, in which int radius. Okay, I'm going to create a constructor here, circle, a parameterized constructor. It will accept one parameter int r, that is radius. Okay, so assign the value to radius. Radius equals to r. Okay, close the bracket. Now for area of circle, I'm going to create a method called area. Public, the area is in the decimal, so I'm going to use a return type as double. Okay, public double area. Okay, it will return area. Return, what is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Okay, for pi I'm going to use mat.pi, math.pi. This will provide us with accurate value of pi. Instead you can use 3.14 also, into radius into radius. Radius into radius. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, now close the bracket for the class circle. Okay, now as mentioned in the question, we have to create a child class called cylinder. Its parent class will be circle. Okay, this is inheritance. I'll provide the link of whole inheritance concept in the description of this video. You can understand the whole inheritance, what is the superclass, what is the subclass, what is the child class, what is the parent class. Okay, I'll provide the link in the description. Okay, so I'm sorry. So I'm going to create a class subclass cylinder. Class cylinder. For subclass or child class, a keyword extends is used. Extends circle. Okay. Then this I'm going to add property int height. Cylinder has height. Okay. Now I'm going to create a constructor. So cylinder. I'm providing two parameters here. Int r, that is radius, and int h, that is height. Okay. In this I'm assigning the value to height. So height equals to h. Okay. All right. Here I'm going to use a super keyword, super r. Okay. This is the constructor in the inheritance in Java. I have created a whole video for this concept. I'll provide the link for constructor in inheritance in Java in the description of this video. So if you watch that video, you can understand why I used this super R here. Okay, so go and watch guys. Okay, now for the volume of the cylinder, I'm going to create a method called volume. So public, again double, volume is also in decimal. Public double volume. Okay, it will return volume. Return, what is the formula for volume? Height into pi r square. So height into, for pi, math dot pi into radius into radius, radius into radius. Okay, close the brackets properly, close the bracket for the class cylinder. Okay, now I'm going to create a class in which main method will be present. So class, let's say inheritance problem, inheritance underscore problem. Okay, in which main method will be present, public static void main string args. Okay, in this I'm going to create a object for class circle. Okay, so circle, let's say C equals to new circle. As I have to provide a parameter in this constructor, okay, int r, this will assign a value for radius. I'm providing a argument here, let's say 5, the radius of the circle is 5. Okay, now I'll print the area of the circle using system dot out dot println, and this area of the circle, area of the circle is plus, I'm sorry. Okay, now for the area of the circle, I'm going to call a method area using the object of the class circle, that is c dot area. Okay, now for the volume of the cylinder, okay, I'm going to create a object for class cylinder. So cylinder, let's say C1 equals to new cylinder. Okay, here two parameters are required, int r, int h. This is parameterized constructor, so I'm providing two arguments here. We want radius 5. Okay, so here also I'm providing a radius 5, and let's say height equals to 7. Okay, for printing the volume, I'm using system.out.println volume of cylinder is for the volume, I'm calling the method volume using the object C1. Okay, so C1 dot volume. Okay, actually we don't need this object, okay, because we are providing radius as well as height here, so we don't need to explicitly create this object for the area. I'm just gonna do is shift it above the system.out.println. Okay, so cut, paste. Okay, now close the brackets properly. This is for the main method and this is for the class. Okay, now I'm saving it using Control S. I'm saving it. and this. Okay, what is our file name? Inheritance problem, inheritance underscore problem. Okay, problem 1. Okay, uh, let me do inheritance underscore problem 1. Okay, I have the same name file in my PC, so I'm saving it using Control S. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, what will be the name? Inheritance underscore problem 1. Inheritance underscore problem 1. File extension will be Java source file, and save. Now here hit cmd. Okay, Java C inheritance underscore problem dot java underscore problem 1 dot java. Check the spelling. Inheritance underscore problem 1 dot java. Enter. Okay, we have one error. Okay, c1 dot area should be there. C1. Okay, again save it using Control S. Again compile the code. Okay, we have no errors. Just remove the part in front of the dot and C in Java C. Again hit enter. So our output is area of the circle is 78.5398 and volume of the cylinder is 549.77. Okay, so I hope you guys understand this problem, and the link I have mentioned in the video about the inheritance in Java and the constructors in the inheritance in Java, I'll provide in the description of this video. Okay, thank you guys.